Hey, it's Tom ZEEB'S with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in this quick video, I want to talk about what you should be doing in between deals when it seems like a quiet period or a dry spell or a dead period. It's really important to maintaining your business, so keep it rolling and stay tuned. One of my advanced coaching students asked me about, what do you do in between deals? Because there's that kind of awkward I don't know, down cycle or quiet phase where it can feel like nothing's happening. And that's bothersome because you're in between deals, right? You're kind of like, I compared it to like a sports athlete. You know, if you're a football player, there's what, 16 official games a year? So 16 weeks, you're busy. And then what do you do the rest of the year? Well, you train, you focus, you study your sport, you study your art, you think about what it is you're going to do, and you get ready to do more of it. And so as real estate investors, yeah, the excitement's in the deal. The excitement's when we actually, get the deal done, when we get the paycheck, when we're dealing, getting close to the settlement and making things happen. But what do you do on the in-between? That's kind of important. Well, there's one big answer, and you've got to get this one right. I know some of you don't want to hear this. What you need to do is marketing. You need to become obsessed with marketing. You need to actually do your marketing, focus in on your marketing. Remember that your business is every bit about the in-between the deals as it is about doing the deals. You want to do the deals, you have to do the deals. You're going to do the deals, but you need to pay attention to what happens on the in-between, because in between deals, if you don't do any marketing, your business comes to a full standstill. It goes into a dry period. You know, I'm thinking about that with these Joshua trees behind me. They're not even really trees, but they manage to store what very little water it is here and grow, even though there's not really much of a wet season, right? So they're storing it up and getting ready. And as the real estate investors, we are going the exact same way. Where am I? I am outside of 29 Palms, California. And it was funny. I couldn't remember why when I was navigating here. Remember, why does that name bother me? What is about 29 Palms? And then I remembered many years ago, a buddy of mine and I had rented it's a horror movie. It was awful. It was called 29 Palms. And the whole movie was about nothing. It was about the quietness of the desert and about absolutely nothing happening. And we thought about turning the film off. And honestly, I kind of wish we had, because you sat there for probably an hour and a half with absolutely nothing occurring, just pointless scenes of people walking around the desert. And then the last couple of minutes of the film, 2-3 minutes, was completely horrifying and awful. Now, I'm not recommending you watch it, but I'm saying what it is, and that stuck with me. Oh, man, all that quietness, right? The whole movie was to set up just those few minutes. Well, that's kind of like being a real estate investor too, right? You're going to spend your whole business for those few moments of closing where you make the big profits, and yet you have to fill in the in-between with something interesting. Look, after a deal, that's a good time to go spend some money on your hobbies. Go do what it is that you want to do, whatever you find fun. Go hiking somewhere, go travel somewhere, go do something exciting. At the very least, go out for dinner, celebrate the deal. But make sure you keep your marketing running all the time. That way you'll have more deals to be getting done. So it's kind of like keeping a cadence. You got to keep that cadence. And that is the number one thing that I see intermediate and advanced level investors, that's the number one thing I see them screw up. They screw up the fact that they don't stay consistent. They don't get to the point where things are flowing because they don't maintain discipline, marketing discipline during their downtime. For Traction Real Estate Mentors, it's Tom ZEEB'S from 29 Palms, California, signing off.